So we have applied the cross members at the bottom of the brace in the form of the triangle or the trusses. Now we will apply the cross members at the top of the brace. See, we are here using single stick. You can use the double stick also. You can do it in either way, either in the form of a truss like this. Like this, you can use it in the form of truss. See, you can use it, or you can use single members. I will recommend like single members like this. See, we can use it like this also, but I will recommend that use it using forming triangles. Now we are using, we will use the glue like from here we are using. So see, we have completed the cross members at the upper level. You can use sticks over here, but according to the amount of the sticks or the number of the sticks you have left with, you can use the sticks. Now see, we have put the cross members. These cross members stops the zigzag movement of the zigzag movement of the brace. Now we will use the diagonal members. For diagonal members, I am using the double members so that the tilting of the brace can be resisted. See how we will apply the diagonal member. If we are applying a diagonal member from this side member to this side member, then another diagonal member will we use in this form, like cross formation will be there, right? See, we are using from first one to second one inside the brace. This is our first diagonal member. Then the second one will be like this. Now I am putting it there. See, zoom it over here. Yeah, like from inside zoom in. From this way, from this way. Yeah. See, we have put the first diagonal member. Now since the first diagonal member is this, like this one, then the second diagonal member will be like this one. Like zigzag movement can be stopped by a tilting of the tilting of the brace can be resisted by this. Now we are using the second. See, we have used like this. Now we will use like this. One thing should be taken care, like we have put the diagonal member from the apex of this triangle to the base of this triangle, right? Now we will use the apex of this triangle to the base of this triangle, like this we are putting it. See, like glue should be applied properly because diagonal members are very much important. See, we have applied the two diagonals. One is like this one and other is like this one. When you will see from inside the brace, It will be like a form of cross formation. See, one is like this one and another is like this. So when you see from this direction, it will be like in the cross formation. Now we are applying the rest of the diagram. Like we have